Hey, so I thought I would just do a quick comparison of these two sets of mixing bowls. They've got some definite differences, and I thought I would just help you kind of know what you're getting in both. So each are going to be 5 bowls with 5 lids. Um, this one has plastic lids with also some graters, which I will show you in a second. And then this one has glass lids with silicone around the edges of them. Um, both seem to have like silicone bases on the bottom of the bowls. And so let me show you one of these. That's not the right lid for that one. That's got another one in the bottom. Okay, so they both have these silicone bases. And then on this one over here with the plastic lids, most of them are just kind of like regular plastic lids. They do seal really well. You can see here, you just kind of press that down and it does have a really good seal. I like it would be, it's like nothing's going to come out of that unless you take the lid off. And then on this lid, it has this piece that pops out, and that's where you can add a grater, like if you wanted to grate cheese, which is the main thing I think of when I think of grating. I'm sure there's some other things you could grate. That would be especially helpful if you're doing something like a salad in the bowl and you want to grate something on top. So they have this small grater, this one that looks like it does more of like a slice with a ridge, and then a larger thickness of the grate. So that's that one. This one feels really like high quality, and I think that's because the lids are really weighted because they're glass with silicone. I'm definitely someone who's trying to stay away from plastic, so I like that a lot. I like that with these, nothing is sitting in plastic, so that's really nice. Although the lids are plastic, at least that's not like where the food is sitting. So anyway, and again, both have like the silicone bottoms. They both have measurements inside of the bowl, like quarts and liters. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's in both sets. So that's not really a differentiator, but they do both have that. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you so you can kind of make a decision about what's best for you in your kitchen.